This E-Type Series 1 Roadster was born on August 25th, 1961. I mean, Cotswold Blue, or with a red interior. Doesn't get any better than this. What an unusual color, too. The car was the first Jaguar E-Type Series 1 open two-seater, left-hand drive, painted in the Cotswold Blue color. So this is the first time they used this color. Have you ever been to the Cotswolds in England? This is beautiful countryside. Beautiful countryside. That is one smooth running Jag. This is chassis number 875-400. It was destined for the Canadian market. It was distributed by Jaguar of Eastern Canada in Montreal. It remained in Canada for 51 years before traveling to California. In the late 1990s, after nearly 40 years of spirited driving, this iconic Roadster in Cotswold Blue underwent an exhaustive and meticulous restoration at the hands of RX Auto Works in Vancouver, British Columbia. These restoration specialists spent years on this thing. It was a testament to their restoration. The condition remains excellent to that standard today. It's evidenced in 2016, we won a JCNA, Jaguar Club of North America Concourse judging sheet, totaling 99.7 points. It's nearly unheard of. The E-Type made its post-restoration debut in 2001 at the All-British Field Meet. It was awarded the best debuting restoration. This original color combination, Cotswold Blue over red, with the dark blue convertible top. I just find this thing stunning to look at. So many E-Types are red and black inside, or, you know, black on black. The red interior, I just love it. The car's powered by a matching number engine, the 3.781cc 3.8 dual overhead cam inline 6-cylinder with the 3 SU carburetors. It produces about 265 horsepower, I think at 5,500 RPM. The power to the wheels is brought through the Moss 4-speed transmission, supported by the 4-wheel independent suspension and 4-wheel disc brakes. You're talking 1961. Doesn't get any better than that. When this car was fully restored, and when we got it in 2017, we ended up doing a full PPF wrap to the front. We had this custom sheet made by XPEL, and it was the whole width of the car, so there's no seams or anything. So let's take a look under the bonnet. We're gonna just go ahead and open this thing up. We've got this side open. We've got the rear trunk open here, because it's, all right. Back here we have the toolkit displayed. Nice trunk mat, the original vinyl. Let's take a look here. All right, got this engine bay open. It's big on a Jag. E-Type. Everything is just in order the way it should be. We've got the Jaguar 3.8 engine, inline 6, dual overhead cam, the 3 SU carburetors. Look at the finish and patina on this thing. Everything's cleaned up and polished to a very high standard, just the way it was when it was turned out by RX Auto Works from Vancouver, British Columbia back in the day when it was restored. Remember, back then, a lot of the bits and pieces, they were a lot better quality than they are today. Okay, over on this side, the detail, the Lucas battery, still in place. Probably a Lucas decal on a diehard battery or something simple like that, but it just, that's the level of perfection this thing was brought to. You're riding around on the Dunlop SR Sports in the 185 VR15 size with the knockoff wheels, all done in the original Jag colors. Look at this interior, just beauty, simplicity, but also elegance. It's just one of those things that you want to just go out to lunch, you know, take a little ride in this thing, hear the motor, and have a little fun. I love the red interior. Got a good combination of new and old in this car. The things that need to be new are new. The things that are best enjoyed and preserved as old things are still in that condition. Just cleaned up, polished, preserved, and reused. So just amazing. Okay, so Don't miss this 1961 Jaguar E-Type. Early Series 1. Flat floor, welded louvers. Doesn't get much better than this.